They did not need to go this hard. I feel like this is going to become a new favorite of mine. Hello friends, long time no see, and welcome back for part 2 of my reaction to the Sound album by Stray Kids, where I'll be reacting to the next 3 songs on the album, which are DLMLU, Novel, and the Case 143 Japanese music video. So okay, DLMLU. What does this stand for? DLMLU, don't let me lose you? I don't know, I'm not sure. I know I'm gonna find out, but I have a feeling that it's Don't Let Me something, so I don't know, maybe another kind of sadder song, maybe another ballad. Let's find out. Ooh. Kind of like weekendy. Ooh. Don't let me love you. I was close. Oh. What is this reminding me of? Feels very moody. I feel like the Big Chen vocals on this have been top notch. No such thing as the ideal. Ooh. Poisonous relationship. Huh. Ooh. Before I wreck you. Oh. Again, you can just like feel the pain coming through. Oh, I love Lino's voice. Oh. I'm dying to meet you, but I can't. Don't let me love you, don't let me love you. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my gosh, I think this is my favorite song of this album so far. Like at first I was thinking this is kind of giving Taste, but then like it just pivoted so much. And again, just like with the lyrics and the delivery in their vocals, you could feel the torment, like the indecision of like, I want you, but I can't have you because if I do, I'll ruin you. And like based on Felix's part, like I have been ruining you. Saying the scars are still here, as is your scent. The petals have withered, but the thorns are yet to. Like I love that metaphor of a rose and just like the petals from this are gone, like nothing beautiful, and it's just the thorns left. And that, you know, it seems like it was Felix or it was them that was inflicting that pain. And Sungmin's parts, like please run far away. away before I wreck you and escape before the pain fills you up. And then Han just like coming in with a twist of the knife to like your heart, saying, actually, I don't want to tell you not to love me. I'm dying to meet you, but I can't. If you hate me, please endure it and run away. If you hate me, please don't love me anymore. Oh my gosh, I feel like this is gonna become a new favorite of mine. Was not even remotely prepared. And then like Hyunjin's part at the end, this part. Oh, you can just hear the like, you can hear his heart breaking through his voice of, you know, they don't want to be doing this. Like they don't want to be telling this person these things, but they are, because they want what's best for them. Oh, like, is this what perfection sounds like? If not, it's pretty darn close. I don't care what you say, Changbin, about the ideal is just an illusion. But, ooh, okay. Let's try to move on now and listen to the next song here, which is Novel. So, okay, Novel. What are we getting here? Maybe it's about the story of their love with somebody. Things are turning around a bit now, especially when we have this lighthearted photo back from the first part. I just want the best for them. I hope we're turning it around here, so let's listen. My heart prances around. Oh, no, Changbin. Ooh, those vocals. This is so beautiful. In the bright blue that spreads. It's hard to say, bright blue. So sweet. Oh my gosh. My brain just like breaks whenever I hear Lita vocals. This like synth makes me think of Mario for some reason, like Super Mario. This is so cute. Baby, tell me where you are. The whiplash I'm getting from this album, I swear to God. See, doesn't it feel video gamey? This is gorgeous. This would be such a nice song to listen to, like on a plane. This was so beautiful. Ugh, what a nice palate cleanser after the last couple of songs. Like, not that I wasn't expecting this album to be good, but like they did not need to go this hard. I feel like the last several albums from Stray Kids have just been like 10 out of 10. Like, so far there's not a single thing I would change about anything from this album. And, you know, part of me thinks that it might not have as much spread because, you know, it's like a Japanese album. And from what I've seen, like just from my own experience with like streams and music videos and that sort of thing, they don't get as much play as the Korean songs, which is kind of a shame because they went all in in this album. So I hope that this album gets like the attention it deserves, because like, holy cow, I think this is album of the year for me so far, at least. I know we're only 2 and a bit months in, but like, this is just flawless. And this song would obviously have a soft spot in my heart, just like without even having listened to it yet, because it's called Novel. And other than K-pop, like basically the only way I spend my time with like, of course, with like my husband and family and that sort of thing is reading. Like, I read more than 100 books last year. Don't ask me how, but the combination of like literature and K-pop is just like the way to my heart. So thank you, Stray Kids, for this gift. But all right, let's get to the final song of this part 2, which is the Case 143 Japanese version music video. I have heard the Korean version many, many times and reacted to the music video. So if you would like to see that reaction and you have not yet, I will put the link to that just here. But okay, let's watch this. And like, it's kind of looking like this video might be like a cartoon version of the original music video. If so, that's hilarious and I love it. But yeah, let's hear how jarring it is to hear the Japanese lyrics over this song. Let's do it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. This is a very strange, not the music video, the Japanese lyrics. I like how their lips are like, it's very cute. They look like they're always puckering for a kiss. Ow! Ooh. This is so funny. So the chorus wasn't as jarring. This animation style is so cute. Oh! Oh, I'm obsessed with this. Why do I keep getting attracted? He cut out like magnet. I cannot explain this reaction. Why do I keep getting attracted? I love how they're doing this like shot for shot. Although I realized that the chorus wasn't as jarring because it's literally half of it in English. You're pulling me deeper and deeper. I try to get out, but I can't stop. Can I be the one? Yeah, I'll be the one. Moving, I'm on my way. Why do I keep getting attracted? Keep me I cannot explain this emotion. 1, 4, 3, I love you. Oh my gosh. Why do I keep getting attracted? Amazing. I'm a very distractible person, so my husband always says to me, like singing this to me in reference to me, why do you keep getting distracted? Oh my gosh. This like made my day. This is so cute. Whoever animated this, so well done. Oh, I can't stop smiling. Yeah, that was a lot of fun and very cute. Definitely still think I prefer the Korean version just because, you know, that's like what I'm used to at this point. But I feel like if you were just ever having a bad day, that this music video would be such a good thing to put on to just like boost your spirits. But friends, thank you so much for joining me for part 2 of the sound reaction. If you would like to check out the final part 3, where I react to Scars and Forward, then I react to that right now, right here. So see you very shortly for part 3.